Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the Electrical Apprentice. Today I'm gonna show you how to make wire holes for the future wires that we're gonna put to the walls. Alright, so let's get started. But first things first, I'm gonna show you this video is not meant for kids under 13, just 18 year plus. Alright, so we're gonna comply with the COPPA law. You saw the videos and all that stuff. Let's get started, friends. Alright, so we're gonna have the plans here. You know, this shows here where to put the lights. This is the symbol for the lights, and this one is for the plugs and the switches. Let me find a switch for you. As you can see, these one are simple switches and some of them are double switches. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the holes for the future wiring and stuff. This is how a trench for the future wire should look like. This one, as you can see, is rated 3M, so it has to fit one of these special adapters in, and this one should be the hole and flush to the face to the bastard thing. You know, this particular apartment is gonna have all the wiring coming from the down and going up to the thing, and then this one, as you can see, is a light switch as well. So it's gonna go from the downside, entering the panel, and then it's gonna go up to the light. As you can see, you have already marked the holes. We basically have to make a trench from here upwards and then make a hole here. As you can see, we have rated them 4M and 3M as well. This is the symbol for the plug. So here is going to be a plug. Let me find a switch. This one over here is going to be an AC machine. And here, because this one is taller, is going to be a switch. Alright, so let's proceed with the making of the trench itself. For this job, you know, to make it easier, we're gonna have one of these Bosch machine. Is one of this one with double bladed stuff is gonna penetrate into the wall, and a vacuum cleaner is gonna suck all the dust inside. So basically we have one already drilled here. We're gonna start from the upper part of the part itself and they'll go downwards or upwards depending to the situation. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so we have our supervisor here reading the plans. This is Bujor, the tall guy. You know, he can change a light bulb, you know, just standing up. You know, he's fucking huge as hell. Come on, lad, raise your hand, man. Yeah, now he's pretending he knows how to read the plans. You know, what are you doing here, lad? Sprachen Sie English?
No, Filipino.
Filipino, all right, man, no worries. Filipino friends. Hear that? Fucking hell. Working the bastard finger. Yeah, so basically this is the process, you know, how to make the trench itself, but the bastard thing wasn't cutting anymore, so we have to change the blades, and then we're gonna take a hammer machine and just smash those trenches over there. Right, I'm gonna pass my phone to the colleague, you know, the tall guy, and then I'm gonna be back. So basically this is a trench how it should look like. As you can see, we're gonna fit it. We have to have a little bit wobbling sensation, but it's not flesh to the face, so I'm gonna go deeper into this one. Alright friends, thanks all for watching. In the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Yeah, ciao ciao.